Top 10 essay topics about listening skills. How to enhance listening skills. Listening is a significant skill that should be cultivated in every individual, regardless of age or societal role. It touches on almost every aspect of life that necessitates communication, education, job, or even family relationships. Listening reduces the chances of misunderstandings and conflicts, thereby improving relationships among people. In your paper, you can focus on the ways to develop this essential skill. Active listening in counseling. Since the work of a counselor is based on communication with patients and clients, the listening skill in this profession is of great importance. The overall outcome of counseling sessions largely depends on the level of trust between a counselor and a client and the extent to which the specialist understands their client. Active listening substantially facilitates positive and open interpersonal relationships. We invite you to discuss the role of active listening skills in counseling. Listening is an essential skill in outsourcing. Listening is one of the essential skills required not only in personal relationships but also in the business world. The ability to listen and select the most relevant information is especially crucial in outsourcing since, without it, efficient collaboration with the customer becomes impossible. When customers feel they are not listened to properly, they usually conclude that the service provider is uninterested in communication. In the paper on this topic, you can focus on the specific features of listening skills in outsourcing. Supportive communication and listening skill application. The importance of supportive communication and listening cannot be overestimated within the organization. This type of communication helps to build supportive relationships among the groups and individuals of the company. These skills increase performance at work and assist the employees with the tools that aid in addressing informative and precise messages. In your paper, you can focus on how active listening helps make communication more effective. Active listening skills in the healthcare environment. Active listening involves paying attention to the speaker and then responding to how the listener has perceived the speaker's statements. Active listening encourages the speaker to reveal more information and feel more confident and secure. In an essay on this topic, you can focus on the importance of active listening in medicine. For instance, in the therapeutic setting, the therapist must listen to the patient as they narrate or express their feelings about their problems. Active listening skills for successful leadership. Active listening is one of the most powerful leadership skills in any field. It will help a leader build trust and good relationships with the team. It will let them know that they matter. In your essay, you can discuss the relevance of active listening in leadership and management. Highlight how leaders who actively listen can inspire their teams and remember to add real-life examples. Cultural diversity and active listening. Cultural diversity is the understanding that a society comprises many different individuals with different interests, abilities, and needs. Full-fledged communication that allows understanding a representative of another culture is only possible with the skill of active listening. In your paper, you could explore its role in cross-cultural communication, emphasizing the importance of cultural sensitivity. The connection between empathy and active listening. Active listening skills allow you to understand the interlocutor and build an empathic connection with them. The combination of active listening and empathy is sometimes called empathetic listening. It is able to improve any relationships, from couples and families to friends and colleagues. We invite you to discuss the relationship between active listening and empathy. Using real-life examples, you can show how empathetic listening can lead to improved emotional intelligence. Active listening in conflict resolution. Since conflicts are inevitable, success in your career and personal relationships largely depends on the ability to resolve them. Active listening skills will help you understand what your interlocutor is saying. They can reduce tension and defensiveness, allowing you to resolve conflicts more effectively. How does active listening serve as a critical component in resolving disputes and facilitating successful mediation between parties? That's an exciting research question. The benefits of being an active listener. An active and empathic listener is a person who is pleasant to others. But what are the benefits of having these skills for the person himself? How exactly does active listening help you succeed in your career, friendships, and family life? These questions are fascinating to consider.